We are getting ready to go to Sturgis, boys. Hell yeah. Oh my goodness. Boys, those are mini Red Floorboards. Boys, those are mini Red Floorboards. Milled aluminum. Hell yes, boys, we got them. We're gonna get these dialed in. Got some new thrashing gloves for the trip. My those were worn out, boys, they were worn out. Hell yes. We're gonna be heading out. The next video will be us heading out, getting on the road. Got the tool wall, getting everything dialed in. Like to carry, see, it's easy, I love it. We are gonna get these babies installed, get them on. We're gonna get rolling down the road because we gotta get to Sturgis, boys. We gotta get to Sturgis by Friday. Stay tuned, boys. We're gonna tell you a little bit about the trip, where we're going, what we're gonna be doing. It's gonna be epic, boys.
Yeah, epic.
You know the score, boys.
You just gotta get some.
You gotta get a nice big torch bit. 9/16, boys, 9/16. Coming off. Easy peasy, boys. Hell yeah.
Easy peasy.
Oh yeah, baby.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, boys. That came out easy peasy, pretty much by hand, I'd say. Don't lose that piece, boys. Now my kit came with extra ones, so I'm not too stressed about it.
That's your little spacer.
Yep. I'll go ahead and get this side off too, boys. I tell you, I'm getting so excited about Sturgis. Hell yeah.
Yeah, it's starting to get hard to sleep at night.
I'm getting excited. We're leaving Thursday morning, bright and squirrely. All right, heading out, hopefully not in the rain.
Yeah.
We're gonna be riding hell bent.
538 miles.
538 miles to our first stop. It's gonna be in the Redwood Forest in Nebraska. Don't know exactly what town it is. It's up northwest of Grand Island. That's where we stayed last year. So this place is vibey as hell though, man. We rolled by it after we had left our hotel last year. They got like an outdoor eating place. There was tons of people outside. We definitely, I said, as soon as we rolled by there last year, I said, hell, we're staying there this year. So I think we can do it 12 hours max. That's if it takes a long time, and I think we'll beat that pretty easy if we don't, just being realistic. We're ready for it.
We're waiting on it. So.
Yeah, that's what we do, boys. We ride hell bent.
We do.
Hell yeah, we do. And we'll leave there. We'll have an easy ride up through the Badlands. Then you get on Allen Road. And I mean, you just get on that, it's going up and down. You can't go too fast, but it makes you just slow down and kind of enjoy the scenery a little bit, just kind of take it in. I mean, it's just really gorgeous up there. I used to think when I watched television and saw places that I had seen them, but that's not the case.
Yeah.
It's just not the case, you know what I mean? When you see it in person, you just get a whole new respect for what beauty actually is, honestly. And I'm gonna tell you right now, you can't see it on television, boys.
Yeah.
Get out there and ride hell bent, all right? So we're gonna get these foot pegs on here. What you think? I'm just gonna take that out and get that in there first, put a little Loctite on that, and then put them together, screw it on in. Pretty easy and simplistic.
Should be.
We bang. Just lay that on. It's like a half circle shape, so you put the flat side across the back, you know what I'm saying? I put Loctite on everything on my Harley-Davidson, boys.
Got to.
So we'll be up there Friday night meeting some of the boys. Hopefully they're gonna be rolling in Friday night too, so hopefully, I don't know for sure on Friday night. I think we're gonna try. If we can, we're gonna go maybe to the Buffalo Chip. That's where they're doing the launch of the actual launch of the rally. So I think that would be pretty cool.
Are there any rides we didn't go on last year that you remember?
Say there's 2 rides that we have to do that we didn't do last year, which we want to go down and see the Buffalo.
The Buffalo.
And then Iron Highway. That's the ones with all the tunnels and stuff. So, and then Saturday, 100% for sure Saturday, we are going to
Tight.
do the dial, boys. Jeez, boys, jeez. It's going so smooth, I don't know what to do. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do the other one.
Oh, you're just gonna put that other one on there real quick?
Mm.
Ew.
Oh, yeah. So anyway, Saturday, we are going to the Concrete Cowboy Stunt Show. It's at noon on Saturday at the Buffalo Chip. So we were for sure going there. Sunday, Tulane is gonna be having their burger bash at the Boar's Nest. So we will be there. I think that starts at 10 or 11. And Monday Thrashing is gonna be at J&P Cycles. So we're gonna be at J&P Cycles on Monday. And then Tuesday, we'll be at Deadwood Square on Tuesday with the Thrashing boys. Gonna try to get a nice little interview with them, see what's going on, in the future, boys, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully we can meet the Concrete Cowboys, talk to CJ, maybe Tallboy. You know, we met Sea-Bear last year, so just gonna be an all-around good time. I wanna go ride Needles again. You do, don't you?
No reason not to.
No
it was
reason
a
not to.
super fun
So
ride.
we're gonna ride Needles. Gonna go to the Chip. We hadn't been there yet. Be up there from Friday late afternoon, I would say, till the next Wednesday morning.
Yeah.
So I'm so excited about going to Sturgis, guys. I mean, for real.
Yep. We had trouble with the front one on mine last time too.
Just to treat out a little bit.
It's got that powder coat on it.
Yeah. I mean, really just need to run a drill bit through it. You know what I mean? Easy peasy. Hell yeah. Is she clean as a whistle? Don't think we have any problem with them now, boys. Hell yeah. Check her out. Out. That look guy? There she go, easy peasy, man. Yeah, buddy.
That really takes a little bit of dialing in.
You're taking first days, almost all gonna be
Riding.
interstate, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Highways and interstate. There you go. Now we're talking, boys. Now we're talking. That's it. I think that's the move. Ah.
Alright, let's get that back one put on, baby.
Hell yeah, baby. Let's rock it.
Oh yeah. That's exactly what it needed after throwing that badass B&A on there.
Oh, hell yes. Get this piece down tight. Get it right, get it tight.
I'd say you should be good now. There we go.
She is dialed, boy. She is
Oh,
dialed.
Move that chair out of the way.
Yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, the side profile is dunzo.
She is styling and profiling, baby. Styling and profiling. Hell yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's looking nice.
Oh yeah, boy, look at that. Hell yeah.
That's nice. Really? No, that's a good decision. Got a solid platform. And power scheme is
Just legit, boys.
pretty
We just installed mini floorboards on my Harley Dyna, boys.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, we're gonna ride hellbent for leather. Want to thank you boys for tuning in. Catch us next week in Sturgis, boys. We're gonna be heading out. The next video will be us heading out, getting on the road, and as always, ride hellbent for leather.
Hell yeah. Let's get it.
Good time, boys. It's gonna be a good time, boy. Aluminum. Milled aluminum? Milled aluminum? Holy milled aluminum Batman! Oh shoot. Alright. So